बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अलवीपीडिया में खुश आमदीद। पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन पास्ट पेपर्स और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सब्जेक्ट स्पेशलिस्ट इंग्लिश 2013 का पेपर शुरू करने से पहले मैं एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। अलवीपीडिया की पूरी कोशिश होती है कि आप तक तमाम सवालात के जवाबात दुरुस्त पहुँचें, लेकिन उसके बावजूद कंपोजिंग की मिस्टेक्स या किसी वजह से अगर कोई क्वेश्चन मिस हो जाए तो उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन में बयान किया जाता है। वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को ज़रूर देखा करें और उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको स्टडी किया करें। ताज़ा तरीन वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को दबा दें। शुक्रिया। Question number 1. A type of literature characterized by its particular subject or style is called. Correct option है D. Genre. Question number 2. By the middle of 14th century was the native language of all classes. Correct option है B. Latin. The enthusiastic addiction to the study of the writers of Greek and Roman antiquity led to. Correct option है D. None of these. Dash characters are mentioned in Chaucer's prologue. Correct option है C. 29. Dash was known as Madame Eglantine. Correct option है B. Prioress. Dash is the Saint Julian of his country. Correct option है B. Parson. Among Chaucer's character, who had well curled as if they had laid in press. Correct option है B. Wife of Bath. Spirits in the rape of the lock are called. Correct option है C. Supernatural machinery. Dash is the representative of fickle-minded friends. Correct option है A. Belinda. Love affair was the chief dash of the ladies of upper class in 18th century. Correct option है A. Passion. The poem I Could Not Stop for Death was written by. Correct option है B. Emily Dickinson. The poem Go and Catch a Falling Star by John Donne throws light on the life of. Correct option है B. Impossibilities. Milton was born in. Correct option है D. London. Milton himself wrote about his boyhood in dash. Correct option है Paradise Lost. Milton took his degree of MA in English literature from. Correct option है B. Cambridge. The Paradise Lost was completed in. Correct option है 1667. Which of the following work is not of Milton? Correct option है The Jew of Malta. Neologism means. Correct option है a new meaning of a word. The Paradise Lost is written in. Correct option है B. Blank verse. The scene of action in the book first of The Paradise Lost takes place in. Correct option है A. Heaven. Whom does Saturn discover the next angel in rank? Correct option है A. Beelzebub. Chemos was the ruined angel whose other name was. Correct option है Peer. A short poem or phrase that expresses an idea in a clever or amusing way is called. Correct option है B. An epigram. The Paradise Lost was published in. Correct option है 1667. Second Defense of English People was written in. Correct option है Latin. In the novel Pride and Prejudice, the Bennet family lives in the village of. Correct option है B. Longbourn. Elizabeth's best friend is named as Dash in Pride and Prejudice. Correct option है B. Lady Catherine de Bourgh is Darcy's Dash. Correct option है B. Sister. To which Bennet daughter does Mr. Collins propose marriage? Correct option है A. Elizabeth. What does Lady Catherine forbid Elizabeth to do? Correct option है C. Marry Darcy. Pride and Prejudice depicts dash marriages in all. Correct option है 4. Jane Austen's limited range has been compared to dash inches of ivory. Correct option है 2 inches. Francis Bacon was born dash on London. Correct option है January 22, 1561. According to Bacon, by pains men reach to greater dash. Correct option है A. Pains. Bacon says that an ungracious son dash the mother. Correct option है shames. Gulliver loved. Correct option है traveling. In Lilliput, Gulliver finds. Correct option है political intrigues. Brobdingnagian king believes that common sense, reason and justice should be the basis of all. Correct option है lands. Russell divides his book The Conquest of Happiness into dash halves. Correct option है two halves. In his childhood, Russell was interested in. Correct option है mathematics. Narcissism means. Correct option है interest in oneself. Gulliver finds no concepts of dash in Yahoos. Correct option है morality. Francis Bacon came of dash. Correct option है C. Aristocratic family. According to Bacon's philosophy, respect to one's superiors is not an act of servility but of dash duty. Correct option है C. Practical duty. Bacon was intellectually great but morally weak is said by. Correct option है B. Pope. Nothing is beneath science nor above science according to. Correct option है Bacon. I have taken all knowledge to be my province is the claim of. Correct option है Bacon. The New Atlantis is a kind of novel describing another utopia as seen by. Correct option है Bacon. Huxley's pessimism about large-scale social organization was depended by the. Correct option है outbreak of Second World War. In Gulliver's Travels, Swift paints a dark picture of. Correct option है political institutions and manners. Tragical history of Dr. Faustus opens with dash. Correct option है chorus. Dr. Faustus rejects which branch of science? Divinity, chemistry, physics. Correct option है D. All of these. Valdez and Cornelius are two Faustus friends. Oedipus Rex focuses on the role of. Correct option है B. Fate. One of the contemporaries of Sophocles was. Correct option है A. Euripides. The Comedy of Errors was written during. Correct option है 1589 to 1594. Which of the following is a tragic comedy? Correct option है C. Winter's Tale. Bertrand Russell was rationalist, agnostic, or fantasy. Correct option है D. Both A and C. A short story that teaches moral or spiritual lesson is called. Correct option है B. A parable. The masterpiece poem composed by T.S. Eliot is, correct option है The Wasteland. Barchester Towers is a famous novel written by, correct option है Prologue. Hardy is believed to be a, correct option है pessimist. Charles Dickens was a dash novelist, correct option है Victorian. Charles Dickens was the greatest novelist of the Victorian era. Sylvia Plath's poems are noted for their personal imagery and intense. Correct option है focus. Sylvia became popular because of her, correct option है C, poetry. Syntactic is concerned with, correct option है C, syntax. Poem The Winding Stair was composed by, correct option है W.B. Yeats. The period of university wits was a little more than, correct option है B, 10 years. 4 history plays were written by, correct option है D, Shakespeare. Machiavelli was dash philosopher, correct option है Italian. The Metaphysical Poets is a critical treatise by, correct option है C, T.S. Eliot. Importance of Being Earnest was written by, correct option है Oscar Wilde. The central idea of the song Go and Catch a Falling Star by Donne focuses on, correct option है women faithlessness. Poetry takes its origin from emotions recollected in, correct option है B, tranquility. Robert Frost's poem The Road Not Taken is a poem with the idea of, correct option है A, optional. Thomas More's Utopia was originally written in, correct option है D, Latin. English language has dash phonemes in its sound system, correct option है C, 44. Linguistics deals with phonetics and phonology, semantics, morphology and syntax. Correct option है D, A, B and C. Diachronic linguistics studies language in the context of, correct option है D, history. We study language varieties in, correct option है B, sociolinguistics. Choose the synonyms of dormant. डोरमेंट का मीनिंग होता है सोया हुआ, asleep. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, इनर्ट. इनर्ट कहते हैं साकन, रुका हुआ, जिसमें हरकत ना हो. इंट्रामल, इसके मीनिंग है किसी जाल में फंस जाना, ट्रैप में आ जाना. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है एंटेंगल. फ्रीवलस, फ्रीवलस के मीनिंग है गैर संजीदा और इसका करेक्ट सिनोनिम है ट्रिवियल, मामूली या गैर अहम. फ्यूजिटिव, फ्यूजिटिव के मानी होते हैं रन अवे, भाग जाना या फरार. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, एस्केपिंग. ग्रोटेस्क, इसका मीनिंग है बी, स्ट्रेंजली अगली. चूज द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ. अब हम अपोजिट वर्ड्स देखेंगे. कॉन्कर्ड, इसका मतलब है मुताबिकत होना और इसका एंटोनिम है डिस्कर्ड. डिसिपेट, इसके मीनिंग है डिसअपीयर होना, गायब हो जाना और इसका करेक्ट एंटोनिम है एक्यूमुलेट. एक्यूमुलेट के मीनिंग है गैदर, जमा होना, इकट्ठा होना. इफिमरल, इफिमरल के मीनिंग है मुख्तसर, आरजी, टेम्परेरी और इसका ट्रू एंटोनिम है परपिचुअल. परपिचुअल का मीनिंग है मुस्तकिल या परमानेंट, दायमी. एरुडिशन, एरुडिशन के मीनिंग होते हैं इल्मियत, इल्मो फजल होना, नॉलेज होना और इसका ट्रू एंटोनिम है इग्नोरेंस, जहालत, लाइल्मी. सरकमोक्यूशन और इसका मीनिंग है हेर फेर या चक्करदार होना और इसका अपोजिट है डी, सिंप्लिसिटी. Fill in the blanks. We are both going dash the same job. Correct option है B for. We are both going for the same job. She tripped and went dash down with a bump. Correct option है before. If the moon goes dash, it disappears behind a cloud. Correct option है off. I always start the day by going dash my mail. Correct option है D through. Many Irish people went dash to America during the famine. Correct option है C over. Many boys were dash at street corners for the coffee bar to open. Correct option है B hanging about. Hanging about का मीनिंग है इंतजार करना. His monotonous voice acted like dash and his audience was soon asleep. Correct option है C a sedative. Sedative ऐसी चीज को कहते हैं जो बेहोश कर दे, जो सुकून दे इतना ज्यादा कि नींद आ जाए. My finger is still dash where I caught it in the door yesterday. Correct option है C injured. The flood water pushed against the river wall and dashed from a sudden break made by it. Correct option है C gushed out. Gushed out का मतलब है किसी liquid का flow out करना. Modern architecture has discarded the dash trimming on building and emphasizes simplicity life. Correct answer है C gaudy. गौडी का मीनिंग है चमकीली, शोख या दिखावे वाली.